Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in to Nizzy's Playhouse. So today is a how-to DIY hack or whatever. I'm going to show you guys how I took this curly unit. You may remember it. I did a review on it previously. This unit is SENSATIONNEL CIARA in the color TP233/350. So yeah, this is the final result. Super cute, like, yes, honey. I really like it. Getting the bang, the curl was a little difficult with this hair. Normally with synthetic wigs, I can do like a tiny bump, but it wouldn't take a bump, so that's why it has this kind of fringe look on the ends, but it's not bad. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you tried it on your units, and if you have any questions. This is flawless, girl. Let me turn around. Alright, ladies, so I'm going to jump right in. This is the unit right here. She's so curly and bouncy. I used 2 combs to detangle this unit. I used the wide tooth comb first, and you want to make sure you get every tangle because it makes it so much easier in the end. So go ahead and keep brushing that thing out. This is the result, and then I'm going to go back in with my denim brush and get out the extra kinks like the smaller kinks that the wide tooth comb couldn't get. Alright, so go ahead and get your boiling hot water ready. Go ahead and put your wig in the shower, and then go ahead and pour that boiling water on. Please be careful, because it is super hot. And watch out for splashback, because I got burned, so I don't want you to, sis. This is the unit. It air dried. It didn't take that long to air dry. So yeah, go ahead and detangle it with a rat tail comb just to get the even smaller kinks out. And this is the flat iron I'm using. It's a Revlon. I don't know what make this is, but flat iron is so good. Like, oh my God. So I go over the hair once, and then I go back over it twice with the brush underneath, just so that I can get it bone straight. And this is the result. I didn't expect for it to have layers, but that's with these curly wigs, they will have layers. So I do recommend cutting it. I was too lazy, but if you want to, girl, go ahead, because you can slay it. This is the end result. Thanks for watching, y'all.